Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, dears. Are you struggling to answer job interview questions? What are your strengths and weaknesses? Don't worry, in this video, I will guide you step by step. We will go from wrong answers to why interviewer ask these type of questions and the correct approach to answer these questions, simple answers for both fresher and experienced ones, and then the last but not the least pointer how to align your strengths with the job requirements. So let's get started. What are your strengths? So the common wrong answers are I don't know, I'm very hardworking, my strength is that I'm perfect. These are either vague and overconfident type of answers. So you are not supposed to give these type of answers. Next is why the interviewer asks these type of questions. To see if your strengths match the job, to judge your self awareness, आपको अपने बारे में कितना पता है, check your strengths to assess your value for the team. तो आपको जिस जॉब के लिए हायरिंग की जा रही है जिस जॉब के लिए तो बेसिकली आपकी कैपेबिलिटी चेक करनी होती है दैट हाउ एबल यू आर एंड हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू मीट ऑल फुलफिल ऑल द रिक्वायरमेंट्स एंड द डिमांड्स of the company. The correct approach to answer these questions is pick 2 to 3 strengths that match the job description. Give an example of how you have used them. Be honest and specific. तो हमेशा अपनी approach को अच्छा रखें, honest रहें, over confident ना हो, specific रहें. Now we are going to take a look at the sample answers for both fresher. So here I opted English teacher profession. As an English teacher, the fresher can say that one of my key strengths is communication. I love engaging with students and explaining complex topics in a simple way. The most important job of a teacher is to provide guideline to the student and to make them understand all the difficult things in the simple way. I am also patent which helps when students need extra support. During my internship, I designed activities that help students understand grammatical topics through fun tasks. So this is the sample answer for fresher and the profession that we opted is English. Now the sample answer for the experienced candidate. My strengths include classroom management and curriculum design. Over the years, I have developed engaging lesson plans that blend grammatical literature, grammatical topics, literature, and speaking practice. My ability to connect with diverse listeners, diverse students, helps improve participation and contribution. So this is the sample answer for the experienced candidates. Now we talk about the weaknesses. Common wrong answers that I am too perfect. These are really overconfident and prove you poor fit for the job. Why the interviewer asked about your weaknesses? He actually wanted to test your honesty and a self improvement attitude. कि आप में self improvement attitude क्या है? आप जितने भी experienced हो जाएं, there is always a room for improvement. The correct approach to talk about your weaknesses, pick a real but safe weakness, not a job killer. Show what you have done to improve it. Always end on a positive note. आप कोई अपनी इस तरह की वीकनेस बता सकते हैं कि आई एम वीक इन यूजिंग smartboard tools and I wanted to have a good training session on its use. So always end on a positive note and don't describe your weakness which is job killer. So talking about the weakness is the sample answer for fresher. Earlier I used to get nervous while speaking in front of a group. But during my final years of studies when I was in university at times, I used to spend too much time preparing overly detailed lesson plans. I have now learned to balance quality with time management and use digital tools to stay efficient. If your CV is aligned with the job requirements, select होती है, there are the AI softwares which can check for the specific keywords. जो specific keywords आपकी job requirement या job advertisement में दिए होते हैं, अगर उसी तरह के आप keywords जो हैं अपनी CV में डालते हैं so these keywords really helps you a lot. We should align firstly our strengths with the job requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more interview preps and spoken English tips. Thanks for watching.